spots that I obviously messed up on, I'm going to get too much blue. So I'll show you how to take it off. You might be tempted to rub with the rag, but instead, I want you to do something strange. I want you to take a little bit of clean blue water and put it on the spot. And then you can take a rag and blot it up like this. Or you can do what I call the wipe and swipe method, which would be one wipe and one swipe on the rag. Wipe and swipe on the rag. Now why I put water down is so that you can lift it off a little better. It's a very important technique. It's not really what we want to teach first graders, but you may need to know as the leader of a painting what to do if you get this problem. Now here in the yellow, I'm going to lift it off. And then I'm going to replace it with some clean yellow. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of clean yellow water and I'm going to pick up a little bit here. And voila, magic, it's gone away.